Alright, here we are in Mattawa, the Valois Motel. This is our rooms, look over the Ottawa River. Me and the old man has got our sleds unloaded. And there, room number 31. Some delivery truck in the way there. There's the dad's EcoBoost, the big trailer. There's the big machine. There's a nice view of the river. You know what? The camera, she just doesn't do it justice what the view is like. Anyways, we're gonna head off to the Mica Mine. Hopefully get some good videos. See what she looks like. Oh, here's the Mica Mine. Sleds. Here we go. This is the place. That's pretty cool. Probably a long way down when it's not full of ice. Oh my god, I got it. Colder than you think.
There's a sample of Mica if you want.
Oh yeah?
There's a good one in the view.
No kidding. So I just... Yeah, I don't know if we're going down there. Drainage. Pretty cool. Oh, there's some old bar. This is a bar in there. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Colors. Oh, you never feel the. You feel the wind. Yeah, like up a high. Ooh, you go different ways. Crazy. Up here a little bit. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's small timbers up there. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Yeah, that's cool. Wow, that's pretty sweet. They're all shored up. Trip going down there. That is pretty cool. It kind of ends down there.
Drip basically going an incline down probably.
No, it looks like it stops.
It's a lake mine. Oh, this is the end there. Okay.
Look at how it's all frozen up there, and it's like, it's pretty cool. It's like sparkly. So that's the way out. Way down there is the way out. Light at the end of the tunnel. So,
Okay.
for the size thing, this is wild. This probably doesn't go down too. Yeah, they just kept following it. Yep. This is where she went. That's dusty. That's dusty. Oh, looks like some more tracks. I mean, maybe they caved some of this in too, or closed it off. Or... So that looks like, hard to say. The big rock right there.
Oh, you can see the seam, man.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's cool. Yeah, and then what is that? More like a quartzy. And then a little shaft goes up. Who knows? Maybe some of this would have been falling in. Well, and this really had to. Well, so they would have went up, like digging it out. Probably, right?
Or also they have to have ventilation.
Yeah. Yeah. Probably. That was cool.
Yeah, you can see the mineral all the way up, so.
Yeah.
It's probably a
The way that-
spot, yeah. It's a lot easier to let it fall down than
Oh yeah.
carry it up.
True that. That's cool. That's a big rock. Well, I'm sure that's why they left that piece of track still in there. If I was a betting man, when I was pulling it out, we'd be like, no, that piece can stay. Put it on this. Yeah, we'll go down here. Let's go. Oh, there's a little bit of a step there. That just gets pretty wet, eh? Yeah. Different times of the year. That's cool. That's quartz, probably, or quartz lake. Step. Lots of steps.
Looking up instead of looking down.
Need another intersection. Holy jeez.
Going uphill.
Yeah. Big time. That's wild. Just keeps on going, yeah.
Okay,
Jeez.
you can feel
You feel the draft, eh? The air getting sucked out.
there's a missing drill rod. That one can stay, I guess he said.
Yeah. Cool. Well, do you want to keep going or want to head back?
Don't matter to me.
Look all that touch more? I don't know. I just try to get. Well.
Exit like this.
Oh yeah. Watch your step. Track. Oh yeah. It's a track. Jeez. No, it's just. Wow, this is way more extensive than I would have guessed. It's crazy. So it kind of ends there.
Yeah.
That's the end of her? Yeah. That's work. Cool. Cool. That is really cool. Ah, it's amazing that like just feeling the draft. Watch your step.
These boots, they're made for walking. And one of these days, they're going to walk home.
Well, that is really cool. Totally cool. Extremely cool.
Okay, we are at the scenic lookout off of the 304. It's really windy and frickin' cold, but the view is awesome.
She's a little cold today. It's only warmed up to about -25 so far. Pretty good.